What is going on, guys? It is Luz WX here, working on the Audi, doing a spark plug change. So I didn't go through all the steps because I just wanted to get through this kind of quickly today. But you just take the engine cover off, you remove one T30 bolt from these ignition coil connectors, and then you disconnect them, slide them to the side, and then you pull out the four ignition coils, which I had them laid there in order from how I took them out. And then you're going to need a extended 3/8 ratchet plus a 5/8 spark plug puller, which has a magnet, which make it easier to pull them out. So I'm going to get these out, and then we'll see how they look, and then we'll see how the new ones go in. So I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, so I got the old ones removed, and they were definitely well beyond past due. The car has 88,000 miles, and these are pretty fouled up. And this one, for some reason, had a little bit of oil on it. So I'm replacing them with the NKG Laser Platinums. They're right here. And so the process is just to reinstall them again with the 3/8 ratchet and 5/8 spark plug socket. So I'll get these torqued down. I did check the gap. They're all good, factory spec. And then we'll get them installed and get the car started. So see you guys soon. Okay, got the ignition coils reinstalled, and I put the T30 Torx bolt that holds in the connections to each of the ignition coils. Everything's all tied up. And then also, previously I did replace the PT valve, which is this one, which is the newest revision, but I didn't make a video of it, unfortunately. So let me get the engine cover reinstalled. It's got 4 grommets that you just simply push down on, and then let's get the car started and see. Hopefully it works. Moment of truth. First start. Good, no check engine light. Engine's running nice and smooth, so I think we're all good to go. So just a quick little video of how to quickly change the spark plugs. I didn't go through all the steps, but I just wanted to kind of do this quickly. It was kind of hot outside, and just do a quick rundown of what to do. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, and see you guys around.